So this is my STADIS multi-system dashboard. This is actually pulling from very large sets of data, but you can see it is loading very quickly considering the millions of records that are sitting behind this. So in this multi-system dashboard, just have a few specific examples. For example, charges by season and vendor. And maybe this is something we want to drill down into. So for example, I want to see how people are spending their gift cards. Well, I can drill down into gift card, and I can see that they're spending the majority of their gift card on food and beverage, which is what you would expect. They're spending a good chunk of it at retail, and then they're spending a smaller amount to purchase tickets to future games. Spend per game, top 5 departments for retail, just another example. So we can see that, what do we have here in purple? Novelties are our best-selling items. Our best sellers for beer. So not just all food and beverage, but we specifically want to see beer items. Sales by location. So these are different stands around the concourse, average spend by site, and then some customer related data again, right? So our top 5 customers by F&B, top 5 customers by retail. And with this combo graph, it's nice. We can look for certain anomalies. So we can look for someone who's buying a lot of items, but not spending a lot of dollars, right? So what is it they're buying? Are they buying the cheapest item on our F&B menu for a large group? Or is it something else? But we can start to dig into that and really pinpoint who that customer is and how we might be able to help them, because regardless, they're a top spender. Same thing in retail, right? We look for anomalies. So we have a lot that makes sense. Their quantity versus dollars is pretty similar. And then here's one who's buying a lot of smaller items as well. Or maybe we find anomalies the other way. Someone who's spending a lot of money on very few items. Maybe they're buying a lot of game use merchandise or memorabilia, signed memorabilia. So maybe there's something special we want to do for them to say, hey, you've spent $10,000 on memorabilia from games. Here, we'd love to give you this home run ball that hasn't even been put up for sale. We think you'd really appreciate it. So stuff like that. Okay. So again, just a lot of examples on all of the things that you can do with the intelligence. But really the important message here is, in order to get all of this information, in order to get that total picture of the fan or the customer, you really need the complete venue. And that's what we're talking about today. You need Retail Pro at point of sale. You need eMobile at food and beverage, and you need STADIS pulling the whole thing together with the stored value, with the promotions, and then giving us all of this data at the end.